Hi tubers, we start a new week with the 2008 Honda Odyssey with the codes as follows: misfire code 435 random, and most importantly the code for 3497 valve pause system, also known like variable valve system, enabling disabling cylinders on the go valve pause system. It shows bank 2 is a problem, stuck off. The codes pertains to that are the codes that pertain to it are right here. These are the codes. I would suggest change this solenoid switch assembly. It's right here. Solenoid switch assembly. The bank 1 is over there, right there. You can see it a little bit. Yep, the green plug, and right behind there. Then similar one is on bank 2. This was bank 1, and similar one is on bank 2. You can clearly see it. This is what needs to be replaced. Also, an oil change is in order for this vehicle. Absolutely. That's about it. You could change both of them, or just one, the bank that complains, bank 2, this one, and see the results. Okay. All right. If you like it, subscribe and tell your friend.